update. You got more fun.
Yeah. 1 year update, maybe like 8 months, right? 8
Yeah,
months,
8
right?
Yeah.
Wow, 8 months. That's when I started lifting. That's when I first started lifting again.
You got that Bruce Lee cut, bro.
I know. I know.
It looks so
I got
funny.
flare out the side.
Nah, bro, it's not the back. The side.
The side, yeah, the side look like
Yeah.
But if I do it, I look crazy.
You look like the air clown.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what happened when you can't drive.
Yep. Mistakes.
End up looking like shit.
All my fucking things are gone now too. They all fell out. My grills, they're all gone. Look at my grills. Yes.
Like the experiment you got here too. Got it?
Oh, turkey.
I guess it's installation. Everything you need all in one.
Oh, thank you. Where's the screws?
Take all your bottles.
Yeah, my comrades. I'm a car doctor. There should be one down here too, I think.
Monji, oh yeah. Oh, mosquito bite. Oh.
Huh? Working on the car on a rainy day.
Watch, bro.
Huh?
When I get on stage, they're gonna find these videos and find me doing random shit.
Now what? I just rip this shit out? Now all the food. Oh, no. There you go. And then, up.
I think move the mirror down.
Like,
Yeah, down.
Oh.
I didn't. A little bit.
okay. And then lift it up. Oh, wow, it came off like that. Yeah. Yeah. Comes off just like that.
Be careful, huh? When you do these. Search for.
Oh, I think I found it. There we go. On the button.
Yeah, there's one more.
Oh, found it. Okay. I understand now. There you go. Figured it out.
Yeah, no wonder there's a big ass.
Ah! I just hit my knuckle so hard. Ah, it stings.
Take out that thing too for the other side.
Easily, bro. Watch it just. Gone! Within the
Yeah.
same time, you fucking rip that shit.
They glue that shit.
It's like a forever glue.
Oh. Wax.
It's not wax.
Latex. Nut. Venom.
Venom.
That thing we.
You want to take this off too? That's good. Look at that. Sticky.
Sticky. Spicy.
Have the scars.
You should use Curology like him.
Does it take off the metal part? Yeah.
Let's take a window out.
How we gonna do that?
Through here. Yeah.
More window. Two. Hold on. Where the fuck? Oh, right there. Okay, you can let it back down. There you go. That was close. My finger almost hit the fucking corner of this metal right here. That would have fucking hurt. Slice my finger open so I can't go fishing.
Nah, bro. Go fishing your left.
Hell no, bro.
Come on, Jay. Here, use the rod.
Yo, baby, reel it in for me, bro.
Yeah. Almost out. There we go.
Let's go.
Let's pull out.
Should be out now.
Ellie, just pull out. There we go. And the bracket falls. Let's go. And then the bracket are these screws, right?
I'm gonna take it out. Yeah.
Let's take these out.
Still connected or something?
Yeah, it's still connected to huh? No, it's not.
Oh.
The bracket right here.
Go surfing in this.
Okay. That's not what I was expecting you
Put
to
it
say.
somewhere. Don't break it.
On that, looks nice and soft.
Oh, see, look, bro, it literally sliced my glove open, bro. I hit a corner.
Oh.
It just didn't cut me because I had my hand blocking it. That would have been bad though. Would have cut my whole fucking hand open. It would have gushing blood everywhere. Would have had me
It
fucked
adds
up.
life to the car.
Hell no, bro. Okay, so that's out, that's out. Let's make these.
Yeah. And unplug that.
Unplug this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you should unplug it.
Unplug it first.
Oh, it's fishing out.
Oh, got it. Oh. Yeah, I was pressing the wrong shit. I was pressing here. This is back here.
Oh.
Crack that shit. Oh, it's hanging. Oh, yo. Oh, shit, that was gone. Holy. Alright.
There you go.
Can I even come through here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Got it.
Can.
Go,
Just flip it. Oh, no wonder why it's all bent up and
yeah,
shit.
it's bent up.
Damn. Damn.
Look at that shit, bro. We fixed it that one time,
Yeah.
but then like this part fell out. You see this part here?
Oh.
Yeah, it
I
fell
don't
out.
care, huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that went easily.
Yeah, man. You guys could help him too. Yeah, someone help him, and then he could.
I think you might have to do it like my glove. Or a tennis game.
Let me look them up real quick.
Yeah, try line up, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, try line up the screw.
Line it for you.
Yeah, I looked at it. One's well,
Right
okay.
here,
Oh,
right
here you go. Okay, perfect. Hold it like that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna screw it. Okay, move it up a little bit, slightly. Okay, here 4 things.
Do I like my finger getting?
Okay, move it down a little bit on the left side here. So, okay.
Got it.
Hold on. Not in. It's not in. There you go. Nice alignment.
Alright.
There you go, perfect. Nice little shift. Alright, now just tighten it.
Hold on. Don't do it, yeah.
How do I do that? I'll pull it down.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah. I think so.
What's that? I think so.
Yeah, it is.
It is?
Yeah, it's like that.
Okay. I wasn't tweaking. I
Yeah,
was
we got
correct.
I think so. I think so.
I was like, no, none of us know shit. We're just doing it. We're figuring it out on the way there.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we're mechanics now.
Yeah. We're all in one package.
Now I can go show my cousin that I wasn't lying. That when I said I work on my car, I am working on my car.
Yeah. Show them these
They're
videos.
like buying them. They probably think I'm lying because every time I say that, I'm always like gone early during events.
Yeah.
Because like on days like I come here to do this, they probably don't believe me. I ain't gonna lie. Because I do be disappearing, coming back with my car looking the same.
Hey, give me one. Let me screw it off.
And then the bracket right here, right? Yeah. How do we make this? How do we connect the window? What the fuck?
Connect the plug.
This?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Alright.
Nice and slow. I got you. I'll put my hand under it.
Back more.
Go angle first, huh? Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, angle like that. Yeah.
Anyway.
There you go.
Slowly.
Stand by.
Slowly. There you go. Bring it down. I got it.
There.
Oh, my thumb. Oh, shit, caught my thumb. What the fuck? Okay, bring it down.
Downward.
Hold it up. Okay. Pull it down. Bring it down a little bit. Pull to the right. Can you
I can't.
You can't go to the right?
Nope.
Oh. Okay.
Wait.
It should be good.
Oh yeah.
I didn't tighten it, but you know. Pull it this way. Oh, bring it down. Okay. Let's go!
All this to fix a fucking window. No wonder why they pay so. They
You
want.
pay so much for this shit.
Yeah.
So much work for a fucking window. I'll be charging hella too.
Yeah.
Fuck your window.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber. Okay, we good. There go for men.
Venom. Venom.
Muốn blow down. Blow each side on there. Oh, it don't matter. Like, as you go, you can.
Someone's chewed up gum.
For real. Been here for decades, bruh.
Collecting all that dirt.
Fucking gunk.
That's about 4th gallon.
I'm like tired, you know.
A little tired. So how does it stay up to 3?
I got him, man. Mine's in, yours in too? Alright.
Wait, is
Is
it?
this the right way? Seems like it is.
I mean, it's snug.
Seems like it's the right way, right?
Yeah, it's no.
Alright.
It's pushing up against the glass.
You wanna do wire this part too? Because I can't really reach it as well as you.
Alright, throw it in.
Oh shit.
One more try. Go. Push it into my fingers. There you go.
There you go.
And then
Snap.
these.
Oh.
And those are dangerous.
Well, now I gotta connect this over here too.
Okay,
Oh.
why
Hmm?
don't you test the window first?
Yeah.
Alright, hey. You wanna move your hand?
Just up a little bit. Don't need to go all the way up.
Yep,
Okay.
it worked.
Yeah, that's good. Let's go.
So,
There
Yeah.
you go, perfect. I'm so good. Oh yeah, something though.
oh yeah, I line it up for you.
Yeah,
guys.
line up for us.
Keep going.
Up,
Right here, right here.
right here.
Yeah.
Alright,
Okay, then.
Go for it.
snap that in.
Oh,
Oh shit!
oh shit. Oh, right here.
Yeah, oh,
wait, wait.
perfect.
Yeah.
Check your
And
off.
it's just
Oh, mine's snapping. Snap it in, guys.
all around.
Mine. I just smacked your finger. Alright, seems good.
It's crazy how you can just rip this shit off.
Yeah, you decide one day that you don't want it anymore.
Yeah.
I need my car to be light.
I need my car to be light. I'm gonna rip that shit off. Hold on, put that. Now you can test it.
And then you screw.
Still dark.
Is it all the way in?
Yeah, it's all the way in. Oh, you gotta check your side over there. It's all you, Lee. Oh shit. Is it good, guys?
Yeah, good.
Alright.
It's good.
That's how you know this shit's just decal.
Yeah.
Right?
Nah, carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber.
I'm just keeping it like that for now.
So you don't get in trouble?
Yeah. If I take it off, I get in trouble. Run into a problem with the law.
That on this?
That's alright.
Yeah.
Hey! Hey, let's go!
This time in mine. This is news.
You open my bottle.